Well, hello. It's Dr. August Dunning. I do these nifty little beach walks talking about dry fasting. And today, I'm going to first of all thank all the people that have complimented me on the book. They're getting something out of this they can use. And yeah, this whole copper iodine problem that the pharmaceutical and government has instituted is just criminal. I mean, it's so criminal. And I don't know if you can see this, but they're actually dredging my beach, actually dredging the ocean out there to fill up the beach, which is good because the sea turtles need more beach to nest in. So yeah, today I'm getting ready to head off down to Colorado to Observer Ranch because I'm conducting a 5-day dry fast for a group that decided to use the ranch as a kind of a clinic. And come on down there and I'll walk them through day by day using the Phoenix Protocol book, chapter by chapter, so I can explain in detail what happens each day that it's going on, metabolically, biologically, all that kind of good stuff. Okay, let's walk over the berm here so we can get back over to the beach. Nice of them to put these in there so we can walk back at the beach. Anyway, yeah, thank you so much for your compliments. It really means a lot to me. I'm so glad you're getting something from it. And if you dry fast and all this sort of stuff, you're going to really attack that iron problem. So, I don't know if you've ever been to Observer Ranch, but it's really fun out there. They've got hot springs locally. They've got all kinds of activities and stuff. Great for kids, great for, parents that want to get away. It's fantastic. You can rent a trailer, you can rent a cabin, and it's tons of fun. Anyway, so I'm going to go out there. First week I'm going to be there. We're going to talk about the disaster cycle and some of the stuff I found out that even more conclusively proves that these things happen on about a 6,000 year basis. 6, 12, 18, 24,000 year basis. And I'll get into that when I'm out there. But yeah, the exciting part is teaching people how to dry fast and mentoring them so that they can also help their friends dry fast and people get healthier. You know, dry fasting and the staying here book go hand in hand because the idea here is to reduce your iron load due to overloading of iron by this government sanctioned iron fortification in just about everything. And as you know, as I've said before, I tested the orange goo at the end of my last 7-day dry fast. Sure enough, here it is. 400 milligrams per kilogram iron in the sample. That doesn't mean how many milligrams actually came out, but that's the ratio per kilogram. That's a lot. So I'm thinking that dry fasting is another way to reduce iron. If you're not into doing the blood donation stuff, you could just dry fast twice a year and do it that way too. But I won't know for sure until I get a full test of the entire amount of orange goo, which I will dehydrate and send in this year, to be able to really offer that as an option. I'm using it, and I also do the blood donation because that's the way to get hundreds of milligrams out of your body every year and return to what we used to have as the younger body. And because iron is a pro-oxidant that damages the cells from the inside, there you go. And if you eat salt, like I keep telling people, you'll be able to use a sodium iodine importer on the thyroid effectively and make your T4, T3, and T2. T3 is used in the cytosol to activate all the stuff in the cytosol, inside the cell. T2 is used in the mitochondria to operate the voltage of the mitochondria. Stephanie Seneff did an interesting study years ago that showed that these different organelles require a different charge, a different voltage to operate correctly. This may be part of that. Iodine may be providing the voltage regulation to make the mitochondria work, your cells work, and T3 is used all over the body, so you've got to have your thyroid making thyroid hormones, and the way to do that is with salt and iodine. The salt breaks down into sodium, which is needed to push the iodine in. The chlorine is used to push the bromine and fluorine out of the symporter so you can get the iodine in. And it's really an interesting kind of process. It's really simple. You know, Too stupid to be stupid, as my friend Greg Hunter says. So, you know, I have some suspicions about this, but it doesn't matter, because if I show you how to fix it, it doesn't matter why. You can work around this and not get damaged, not self-damage yourself. So my, whole objective here is to figure out what it is Hippocrates was talking about. Because Hippocrates said that everything you have to heal is inside your body. That's true. You put stuff in that makes it hard to heal, and you can get it out with dry fasting. But the idea of dry fasting is turning off digestion, going into a metabolic sleep period, awake, and going into your healing cycle deliberately. You have to sleep every night, you get a little healing, but it's not long enough to do the big stuff. For the dry fast, it's crazy good. So that's the idea. If you mix these two together, and then during the year you work out correctly for 3 minutes a day on a proper dose of arginine, you'll build muscle fast, you'll hit the triggers easy in 3 minutes of lifting weight. And it's like, you don't have to worry about it. It's the best thing ever. Anyway, so that's the deal. I've heard some comments asking about kidneys, asking about tinnitus. Well, I've noticed that since I've been giving blood, my tinnitus has reduced significantly, because it's been shown in studies. In fact, I even bring it up in the book, that iron loading affects the ears, and in particular the hearing. Kidneys, iron loading there, as well, that's a problem there. But also, without the salt to make the kidneys work properly during the year, it starts breaking down proteins, which makes it hard on the kidneys to operate. So you need the salt for the kidneys. You need the chlorine in the salt, NaCl, for the stomach acid, so you dissolve your food, you don't get small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. It's not that hard to stay healthy. It is if you don't know how. Anyway, that's kind of the message today. I'm going to head off to the ranch tomorrow, and I will be reporting from the ranch. Might as well. I'm going to bring my rig with me and download videos, post them up, and I will see you online. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and help me out, because I don't amortize or monetize these things. So the more you can help me, the more you can help other people, because breaking that clickbait thing, if you click it and like it and subscribe to it, YouTube is going to go ahead and push that out to as many people as they can, because people are watching it. If you leave a message, they see the number of replies and messages. That's an algorithm to have more people view this video. Anyway, that's about it for the day. I'm going to go do a little more walking on the beach, go back to the house. But I'm glad they're putting some more beach on here, because the sea turtles are going to be coming in, and they're going to need some beach to do some sea turtle nests. Anyway, I love you guys, and I will talk to you tomorrow.
Yes?
I have a message. Can you remind people to subscribe, please, sir?
What now?
Please.
Oh, very well.